How to create an interactive PDF flipbook for LinkedIn. 5 quick steps. So number 1, solve the problem. Get clear on the problem that you're going to help them solve. I use the YouTube search box. So for this one, how to create an interactive, you want to see the language that people are using. Number 2, create helpful content. We're striving for an aha, a new insight, or maybe simplifying a process just like this. All right. I use Keynote. You can use PowerPoint. You can use Canva, whatever you want. Number 3, go to the activities in your LinkedIn profile. So go to activities, click on start a post. Next, upload, name, and describe. Click on where it says to add a document right here. Check that out. You upload it, describe, give the name of the document, and then give a short description. Remember to keep in mind what results people will get by reading your post. You want to know more? Check out stagetimeuniversity.com.